Hello! In this video I will show you how to enter a recovery mode on Xiaomi Redmi A3x. So you have to start by powering off your device with power button and volume up button, then select power off. And now when your device is completely powered off, you have to press power button and volume up button at the same time and hold it for a few seconds. And you can let go of power button when you see your logo on your screen. And when you see no command, you have to hold power button and then press volume up button while holding power button. And as you can see, I'm now in recovery mode, and here you have to navigate with volume buttons and select with power button. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.